and we were very impressed. I think the first day and today has been extremely busy. We've had lots of the different, a variety of different people come and visit us, from people who are wanting to learn about drones and maybe even little kids, all the way up to sort of generals and colonels who are interested in lots of different applications.
It was amazing actually to interact with a lot of people. This place was like, one center place where I was able to get like a lot of insights in a very short time.
Yeah, I think like we got a lot of people here walking in, and they were basically a kind of right set of audience or visitors which we were expecting. Overall, I will say like the event has been very successful for us.
I'm here for 3 days. Every day I have attended here. I have been here, and there is huge lot of crowd basically.
Excellent, fantastic response from customers.
Fantastic. Power pack.
Mind blowing.
Opportunity.
It was excellent.
See you in the next edition.